discuss the laws of resistance. Okay? So, generally, the resistance depends upon the following factors. First, it depends upon the length of conductor. Okay? When length increases, resistance increases. When length decreases, resistance also decreases. Therefore, R is directly proportional to length of conductor. Okay? Similarly, when area of cross section of conductor increases, resistance decreases. When this increases, resistance decreases. Okay? Similarly, when area decreases, resistance increases. Okay? And third, it depends upon the nature of material. Means the resistance also depends upon which type of material we are using. Okay? So, to prove this, let us see how the resistance vary when length of conductor decreases or increases. Okay? So, ଆମର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେବା ଯେଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ କହିବ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ତମେ କ'ଣ କର ଏଇଟାର ରେଜିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ମେଜର କର ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଇଠିକି ପଳେଇ ଆସ କପ୍